What's been happening at Maitland Local Court this week? About 140 people were listed to appear this week. And we know that one person is the Christmas Day guy who I discussed in my Christmas at the Local Court series. We heard back in January from the courtroom gallery that the charge relates to damaging property. This may have happened on or around Christmas Day, as he appeared at Paramedic Local Court on Boxing Day after being police bail refused. We don't know what was damaged, maybe Christmas presents. By the way, court granted bail because I saw him here at Maitland in January. So there was another court mention for this Christmas Day guy, but there's no public information on what happened. Has he entered a plea yet? It's listed again later in March. So as for the rest of the cases, well, a journalist has published an online newspaper story about one of the cases. Yes, the headline says attempted to kiss, but I think the key word in the headline is assault. I think it's good the newspapers publish stories like this because it's a reminder that first responders do get assaulted at work. The media story details that in January this year, the 55-year-old man injured himself after falling over while intoxicated. The rest of the details, well, let's face it, it's not just an offence, it's common sense. Don't go calling the paramedics for help if you're going to assault them. The man was sentenced on Wednesday to a community corrections order for 12 months for assaulting and intimidating the paramedic. So I'm not sure what the rest of the 138 cases were about this week, as there are no other stories. However, I think we got a great media story to deter us from assaulting paramedics and denouncing the behaviour. Unfortunately, assaulting frontline workers happens. I think we should acknowledge every case like this.